In 1940, the British government banned bananas, not because they were dangerous, because boats were. And what they replaced them with is a crime against fruit. With the Atlantic crawling with U-boats, the British government had a choice: ship in tanks or ship in Chiquitas. They chose the tanks. Total buzzkill. Enter Marguerite Patten, the Ministry of Food's resident wizard. She wrote over 170 cookbooks and once convinced a nation that powdered eggs were just eggs with less attitude. Her job was to convince 40 million Brits that eating weeds and sawdust was actually a culinary adventure. Her greatest challenge? The mock banana. To make a World War II banana, you don't need a tropical climate. You need a garden in a rainy suburb and a complete lack of self-respect. 1. Peel it. 2. Boil it. 3. Mash until dignity is gone. 1 teaspoon of precious rationed sugar. And now I know what this looks like. Stay with me. There we go. Now it looks like a parsnip that's had a very bad day. Okay, there's something there. It's sweet, there's a floral note, it's almost... Wait, no, that's the parsnip again. It was the parsnip the whole time. It's haunting. It's like a banana and a roast dinner had a baby, and that baby is confused about its heritage. And yet, it worked. Children who had never seen a real banana ate this and thought, wow, the tropics are weirdly fibrous. Adults, meanwhile, just ate it and cried silently for the 1930s. 2 drops of artificial banana essence. It smells like a chemical plant in Costa Rica, but in 1940, this was the scent of pure hope. When real bananas arrived in 1945, there was a national parade, a parade for fruit. Children were given the first bites, and Marguerite Patten's parsnip abomination was cast back into the fiery pits of things we don't talk about. So the next time you complain that your banana has a bruise on it, just remember, someone somewhere once ate this and was grateful.
Yes, we have no banana. We have no banana today.